Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Pieter Lombard and Ilse Lombard want to invite you to a lengthy webinar on the administration of deceased estates. Myself, my whole life I've been in tax. Some 10 years I've been lecturing at the University of Pretoria, and I spent a lengthy time at the South African Revenue Services, at some stage being the Chief Revenue Inspector. I'm a chartered accountant by training, and during this webinar I will be joined by my wife, Ilse Lombard.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm an admitted attorney, and I spent a few years beginning of my career in private practice, and thereafter I spent 18 years in the corporate world as a legal advisor at the CSR, the last 8 years of which I was the head of legal at the CSR.
Naturally, for those who previously attended the session, there will be a significant overlap with what was discussed previously. The only substantive addition to what we covered in previous sessions is an addition on recent case law and the developments.
In this marathon session of about 5 hours, we will cover a bit of matrimonial property law, recent groundbreaking case law on a few issues, and notably also the important concept of what is a spouse, the drafting of wills in compliance with the Wills Act, the distinction between testate and intestate succession, as well as the use of a trust as an estate planning tool.
Session 1 will be a long stretch of nearly 90 minutes and will cover the aforesaid. Session 2 in turn will focus on the various role players in the administration process. Session 3 will deal with the appointment and the responsibilities of the executor of a deceased estate. Session 4 focuses on the liquidation and distribution account, and the webinar will conclude with Session 5, in which we will discuss a practical example of how to prepare such an account. We're looking forward to see you on the 24th of November 2021.